Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, Bank Nifty closing negative and with a hammer candle on the top. So definitely the sellers have gotten activated at this point. And in Nifty, if you see Nifty also not closing very negatively, but still this is kind of a hammer candle. So definitely the sellers have gotten activated over here, but we'll need to see where can we sell, in what condition can we sell, and do we even have to sell, right? What's the criteria to sell? Anyways, in Bank Nifty, if you see Bank Nifty making a perfect hammer at the top, you can also call it a pin bar if you want. But yeah, if you see in the daily charts also, Bank Nifty opened with a gap down and started moving down. Now, one thing to note over here was that Bank Nifty had closed very positively, right, on Thursday. And if you see from Thursday, then Bank Nifty opened with a gap down and then started moving down, right? So what happened over here is very simple. As I always say, market closed positive, but it opened negative. Now, a lot of people who would have bought or entered bullish positions over here, now they are trapped if the market is opening with a gap down. So the markets recovered a little bit and then they started moving down. I also had a selling position over here, but the problem was my stop loss got hit by just 5 points, right? My stop loss got hit by 5 points. I don't know why. The premium spiked a little bit more and my stop loss got hit and the market then started moving down. I had shorted 45,000 P, I think. Uh, yeah, in this candle I had shorted 45,000 P, and again I wasn't expecting such a big jump because even over here I had given a little bit of kind of space for the market to move, and even then my stop loss got hit and then the market went into such a rally. But anyways, no problem. Sometimes these things will also happen. Again, I use system SL because I feel like it is a more disciplined way. When you have a SL in your system, there is no like two ways. Until you cancel your order, your SL is gonna hit as soon as the price comes. So again, it's just my way and I keep my system SL, and I'm not saying ki, okay, you should not keep your SL in the system. It's a very good healthy practice. Just sometimes these things will happen in the market. And if you see, then I shorted at 380 and the premium closed at somewhere near, I think, 210 rupees, right? But anyway, no problem. Sometimes these things do happen in the market. So what can you do for tomorrow? Other things aside, over here, if you see Bank Nifty has become a little bit negative, there is kind of a low price action being formed over here. And now the next support is first of all at 44,500, then we have 44,200 and then 44,000. But Bank Nifty should not go below 44,500, because if you see Bank Nifty has given this breakout from 44,500, so now the market should not go below this level, because if we do go below 44,500, that means this is a breakout failure, and then we could get very big targets on the downside, because whenever a breakout failure happens, market moves down very fast, right? If you see, there was a breakout failure over here also. This was the resistance, and if you see, markets moved up then moved down, and see such a big fall. And if you see, there was such a big fall, right? So if we do get a breakout failure over here, then we can expect a very good selling market over here. So again, be ready for that. And if you want to take a trade over here, tomorrow will be the best time. If you open flat or with a small gap up below 45,000, right? What this will do is this will kind of make the market stay over here for maybe some time, and the sellers will get a very good entry point, right? Once the sellers get a very good entry point, they can take the market down very fast from here. You can easily expect maybe a 200 point momentum from here after we break down yesterday's Friday's low, right? So as soon as we open with a open flat or with a small gap up, we'll wait for 44,840 to be broken. Once 44,840 is broken, we'll not hesitate to sell. Our target first target will be 44,600 and second target will be 44,500, because from here a selling a buying momentum has started. So again, probably we could see a buying momentum coming, but again, that is something that we need to see what Bank Nifty does once we reach 44,500. But we will not hesitate to sell over here, even though the market has moved a little bit down. This could be a start of a big trend, or this could be just a pullback. So we will take our chances over here, because the chances look very good in favor of the sellers, at least till 44,500, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see Nifty, actually fell more than Bank Nifty, and for the right reasons, right? I always say that if we have to break out, we should wait some time over here before breaking out. If you see, markets started moving up after opening with a gap down. Markets just started moving up and up and up, and they did not wait, right? So there was no entry of new buyers over here, and the previous buyers started booking their profits as soon as we saw a breakout over here, right? And if we see, there was a breakout failure, and then markets moved down. Again, you could have also taken a trade over here. Maybe you might have seen this big green candle, and the next candle itself is red, right? So you could have taken a very good trade over here below 19,485, and your stop loss would be like just 10 point stop loss, and you could have gotten a very good risk to reward ratio over here also. So again, these are the things that again, you cannot learn in one day. You just have to, kind of give time to the markets, and then just go with the flow, right? Again, same thing. If you see, in the end also we saw selling. Whenever you see selling in the end, that means either the buyers are not very confident about their positions, and that's why in the end they started booking their profits. And same thing with Bank Nifty also, right? So it looks like the buyers are not so confident, but and that's why we will take our chance over here. Even though your stop loss might get hit, do not keep a very big stop loss over here, because if the selling has to happen, it will happen very fast. And you know probably you will not need a very big stop loss. A 70 to 80 point stop loss will do more than enough, right? So again, if you open with a gap down somewhere near 44,800, 750, all these levels, we'll wait for a retracement till 44,840, 850 levels. Once Bank Nifty reaches at this level, or maybe you can also wait for 44,880 for yesterday's gap to be filled. Once market reaches this level, once you see a 5 minute candle, a bearish 5 minute candle, or something like this, or maybe something like this at this point over here, then you can also go ahead and initiate your short position again till the target of 44,600 and 500 on the downside. Same thing with Nifty also. Again, if we open with a gap down somewhere here 19, 280, 260, 250, I mean 260 will be a big gap down, but again 280, 300, all these levels, we'll wait for a big retracement till 19,320, and all these levels 310 also is fine, and then we'll go ahead and initiate a short position till 19,200 in Nifty, right? Again, if you open with a very big gap down somewhere near 240, 250, all these levels, then we'll do nothing and we'll just watch out for price action. If we open somewhere near 240, and in 15-minute chart, if we start making lower lows again, then we can also go ahead and initiate a short position. But with a big gap down, we will need to wait some time, because a lot of trend has already gone over here, so it really won't make sense to make fresh entries over here, right? Talking about Bank Nifty, same thing. If you open with a gap down somewhere near 44,700 all the way down, then you will need to again 44,700 or 650, then we'll need to again wait for some sort of a price action in 15-minute chart, and then only we can go ahead and initiate new short positions. So yeah guys, that was it for today. And if this is a start of a big downtrend, a big downside rally, then we will see a very good red candle tomorrow also in Bank Nifty till at least again 44,600 on the downside, and in Nifty we could see a good move till at least 19,200. But if you want to buy, if you want to make bullish positions in Nifty, and if you want to make bearish positions in Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is weaker and Nifty is stronger. So you need to choose your indices also rightly, right? Because if you see, if you would have gone short in Bank Nifty over here, if you would have made short positions on Thursday in Bank Nifty and kept the stop losses day high, your stop loss wouldn't have gotten hit. But in Nifty, your stop loss would have gotten hit. So choosing the right index is also very important. Again, just for now, if you see, very simple, right? Just see the weekly charts and you will understand the difference. Bank Nifty has made a red candle, Nifty has made a green candle. So that will tell you a lot of things about the market also. So anyways, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.